Bleh. Cross that out. We'll just be in this together. That was whack. Let's see that highlight though. You guys like my new tattoos? Back up, girl, back up. Yes, they're so pretty. I love tattoos. Do you? Do you love tattoos? You want to see a tattoo haul? How do you even haul tattoos? What am I talking about? Oh my goodness. How do you do an outro? I don't know. What's up, everybody? This is Desiree Andrews. Thank you so much for joining me. If you are new, thank you so much. I hope that you learned something. This is a real quick get ready with me. Not even a get ready with me. Just a what I do for my makeup on a day-to-day basis. Real simple. Get looking good. If this is something that you like, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. If it's red, that means you're not subscribed yet. So go ahead and do that. I'll just wait. Did you do it? Okay, awesome. Just keep watching if you want to see how I got this look. If you are returning, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, so let's get started. Obviously, I already did my eyebrows because those take the longest. Y'all don't need to be bored with that. I put my foundations on the back of my hand, and I use both L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, and I'm in the color 204, and I mix that with my Inglot Cream Foundation. This is LC 101. I love the Inglot foundation. I think the Inglot foundation is it's like an underdog. Nobody really uses it. Nobody really talks about it, but it is like one of my favorite foundations. And the sponge that I'm using is actually the Inglot Beauty Sponge. Just gives me really nice coverage. You always want to carry it down your neck, because you don't need no line of foundation like you're wearing a mask. And I actually cover my eyelids with the foundation. And I know most people use concealer to carve out their eyebrows, but I actually use my foundation color because I want it to match my skin. I don't want it to be brighter. I just want it to blend with my actual skin tone instead of being a brighter tone around my eyebrows. And now every day I don't use concealer. Now if I'm having a really bad breakout day or something like that, then maybe I will, but I generally don't. And I am the rare form. I don't usually set my face with powder. Now for my eyes, real basic, real simple, just to give me some life in my eye, I actually take the IT Cosmetics Live, Love, Laugh Vitality Face Disc, and I take the bronzer part and basically sweep that all over my lid. I use the Morphe 218 brush. It's just a real fluffy brush, and I just, like I said, sweep it all over my eyelid, and it just gives a warmth in my eyes. And it actually, if you have brown eyes or hazel eyes, it's actually very flattering because of the color. It'll make them stand out more, and I bring it all the way up to almost like right under my brow, like that. I don't carry any underneath. I don't carry any too far out. Just make sure it's not real harsh, but you see how like this versus this brings me life, right? And that's it. Now for my face, I use the same exact bronzer to give me some life back into, just warm me up a little bit. And I always do the jawline just with whatever's left over on the brush. And that brush was the Morphe M527, just a big bronzing brush. And my favorite go-to blush is the Tarte Cosmetics Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the color Exposed. It's just a really pretty, like kind of mauve-y pink. Gives some flush back into the skin. See, just adds a little bit of pink. Now for the highlight, obviously you're going to have to use whatever you use, but I've been using the I Want Candy palette from Too Faced and Candy Johnson, and it's called Whipped Cream. You guys, this highlight right here is so crazy. It's insane. Like, do you see that? Insane. So I've been using this, and it's just like amazing. Now obviously if you want it to be so crazy, like blinding, I would use like spritz your brush. I use the Morphe M510 brush, and I just do like that, pretty, and then I just carry a little bit up here. You guys see that? It's so pretty. I know it's been a while since I've done a makeup tutorial or anything makeup related. Are you guys enjoying the direction that my channel is going? Or do you prefer me to stick to makeup? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd really love your feedback. I want to incorporate more fitness videos for you guys, so if that's something that you're interested in too, let me know. The mascara that I've been using is the Smashbox X Rated. I almost want to say it's on par or a little bit better than Sex. Dare I say that? That used to be my go-to mascara, but this one has been like living up to its name, and I have like little to no lashes, but these actually make me look like I'm working with something. Like, do you see that? Maybe I need to zoom in. Can you guys see? Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but really? I don't know. I don't know what it is. I don't know what's in there. Maybe it's just the wand. I don't know, but I love it. What is your favorite mascara? What's your go-to? Because I do need to try some more. I'm a mascara girl, so any mascara you feel is a go-to that I must have, let me know in the comments down below. That would be great. This is my like wonky eye. Always gives me problems. That is it. That is it. Let me grab my lip gloss real quick. So lately all I've been doing is literally just putting on a lip gloss. This is Sunshine from NYX. It's just a really pretty like gloss. And I'm ready to hit the streets, do whatever I gotta do, grocery shopping, go to the gym. Obviously, if you go to the gym and you're not feeling doing makeup, don't do it. But for me, I usually have to do more than one thing. So if I hit the gym or before the gym, like I gotta do a bunch of stuff, usually I wanna at least look decent. And this is quick enough for me to get it done, get it going, out the door in less than 20 minutes. Hope you guys like this. If so, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you have not already. If you want me to continue to do more makeup videos or get ready with me's or anything like that, you know, grab your coffee, come sip with me. We can chit chat, more coffee time with Des. I'm down for that. Let me know in the comments down below what else you would like to see from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.